Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Harris here again with our read aloud today. And today are on our day 3 of reading our book called Rain, which is an informational book. So it is a nonfiction book and it's giving us some information. And we've been learning about how different animals can sense the rain is coming. So it's giving us some information about these animals who live out in the wild and how they can tell when it's going to rain. So we've already asked a couple of questions about our book because we've been working on asking and answering questions with this informational book about these animals. And so I want to share my screen with you. And I want to show you the last page that I stopped on yesterday, which was the page that says, "Thunder boomed. The rain is coming," cried the baboons. And remember, our question was, what is a baboon? And I know from your responses on Seesaw that you all knew that a baboon is the picture right here, which, and we can kind of see over here too. And it's a baboon is a type of monkey. So in our book by Manja Stojic, we learned that porcupines smell the rain coming, zebras can see it coming, and the baboons, they can hear it. So, and now it says we must tell the rhino. So now we're going to see how the rhino knows the rain is coming.
Boomed. "The rain is coming," cried the baboons. "Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell the rhino." A raindrop splashed. "The rain is here," said the rhino. "Porcupine smelled it. The zebras saw it. The baboons heard it. And I felt it. I must tell the lion."
So the information that we received on this page from this story was that the rhinos, they feel the rain. That's how they know that rain is coming.
The lion spoke in a deep purr. "Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And," he sighed, "I can taste it." It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full.
Mm.
Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long, feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh, green leaves. "I can't taste the rain now," purred the lion, "but I can enjoy the shade of these big, green leaves." "I can't feel the rain now," said the rhino, "but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud." "We can't hear the rain now," shouted the baboons, "but we can eat fresh, juicy fruit from the trees."
I wonder where they're getting all these things from.
"We can't see the rain now," said the
Oh,
zebras.
that means that Mrs. Harris has a question. So my question is, I'm wondering, like, How do the zebras have all of this water? How did the baboons have all of this fresh, juicy fruit? How did this rhino have some soft, squelchy mud? And where did all of these feathery grasses grow from? And how did that happen? It says it grew from the soil. Remember learning about the word soil and how it's in the ground and the earth? So how did grass come up from that dry, red cracked soil? Let's see if our book helps us answer that question.
We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole.
See, the zebras have that nice water hole now.
I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time.
Okay, so the rain has stopped.
The sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out.
Okay, so we're going to stop right there for today. And Mrs. Harris wants to show you my little anchor chart I've been working on here, which is just going to kind of help us with the learning that we've been doing this week with our book called Rain. So it says here that our target is I can ask and answer questions about key details in an informational text. So our questions were, what is soil? And remember, we decided that the soil was the dirt in the earth, and there's a picture of the red soil. Excuse me, yesterday our question was, what is a baboon? And a baboon, here's a picture of a real live baboon. It's a type of monkey. And so our question today was, I'm going to write it down here. All right. So our question was, where did the animals get all of those things, right? Like the fruit and the mud and the water hole, right? Where did all of those things come from? So we're going to use our book tomorrow during our lesson to go back and help us to answer this question, okay? And that is all I have for you today, guys, for our read aloud in the book Rain. Thank you for coming and listening to Mrs. Harris's read aloud lesson today. Thank you. Happy Wednesday, guys. Bye.